Hello students, I hope you all are doing great and studying at your home. So welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to go through the exercises of chapter 3, the clothes we wear. Okay, so students, in previous class we had read the chapter and I had explained you the all chapter. Okay, so in today's video let's revise again the all chapter and then I will explain you all the chapter and then we will go through the exercises. Okay, so students, in this chapter we had learned about the different kinds of clothes we wear on the different occasions and on the different weathers. Okay, and what else we had learned? And we had learned that what are the materials that clothes are made from. Okay, such as wool, cotton, sheep, etc. Okay, and we had learned that we wear different kinds of clothes on the different occasions. Okay, such as when we are at home we wear simple and comfortable clothes, and when we are going for a party we wear a party wear clothes, and when we are going for school or our office we wear our uniform. Okay, now tell me students, what is uniform? Do you know what is uniform? The uniform is a cloth. Look at this students. A uniform is a kind of cloth that a group of people wear to look the same. Okay, as you can see in the students, as you can see in this picture, what is this? This is uniform that students are wearing. Okay, so students, a uniform is a kind of cloth that a group of people wear to look the same. Okay, such as policeman, students, okay, postmaster, etc. Okay, now students, let's discuss little bit about the new words in this chapter. So here two new words in this chapter. First one is festival and the second one is uniform. So what is the meaning of festival, students? Festival means a time of celebration. Okay, festival means a time of celebration. Okay, a time when we all celebrate. Okay, it's called festival. Now the next one is uniform. So what is uniform? So uniform is a clothes that a group of people like policemen or students wear and that look the same. Okay, as I told you earlier. So what is the meaning of uniform? You can learn from here. Uniform is a cloth that a group of people like policemen or students wear and that look the same. Is that clear? Now students, move on to the exercises of this chapter. Okay, now the first exercise of this chapter is match the column. Okay, match the columns. Okay, so here students, you can see two columns are given, column A and column B. Okay, two columns are given. You have to match the words of column A to column B. Okay, you have to match the words of column A with the columns B correct word. Okay, you don't have to match the words with the wrong pairs. You have to make a correct pair. Okay, let's start doing the exercises, students. So the first word is shorts. Okay, first word is shorts. So which words we will match with the short? Blouse, trouser, t-shirt or kurta. Tell me, students. So short is the cloth that little kids wear, okay, and it wears with the t-shirt, okay, it wears with the t-shirt. So you will match the shorts with the option C, means t-shirt, okay, you have to match it with the t-shirt. Is that clear? Now move on to the next one, and the next one is sari, okay, next one is sari. So with which word we will match the sari, students? Blouse, trouser, t-shirt or kurta. So we will match the sari with the blouse, because sari is the traditional dress of our country that usually the women of our country wears, and they wears it with the blouse, okay. The pair of the sari is blouse. Is that clear? So we will match the sari with the blouse. Is that clear, students? Now move on to the next word, and the next is shirt. Next one is shirt. So what is the correct pair of shirt, students? Can you tell me? T-shirt or kurta? So the correct pair of shirt is t-shirt, okay. Shirt and t-shirt are wear by men, okay. The men of our country wear the t-shirt and shirt. Definitely you might have seen your father, your grandfather, your uncles to wear shirt and trouser, okay. Sorry, students, shirt and trouser, okay. We will match the shirt with the trouser. Is that clear? We will match the shirt with the trouser. You might have seen so many people around you wearing the shirt and trousers, okay. So they wear shirt with the trouser. Now move on to the next one, and the next one is churidar, okay. Churidar, and you have to choose the correct word from the column B. So blouse, trouser, t-shirt or kurta, which one is the correct? Tell me, students, which one is the correct? So the correct one is kurta, okay. The correct one is kurta. So you have to match the churidar with the kurta. Now we will match the churidar with the kurta, okay. The pair of churidar is the kurta. Now students, let's revise again all the words. So first word is shorts. Now tell me the spelling of shorts, students. The spelling of shorts is shorts, shorts, and we will match it with the t-shirt, okay. We will match it with the t-shirt. Shorts with the t-shirts. And who wears the shorts? Little kids wear shorts, okay. Now the next one is sari, okay. Sari. What is the spelling of sari, students? The spelling of sari is SAREE, and sari are wear by women in India, okay. Usually women wear a sari, not all, but you might have seen lots of women wearing sari, and it wears with the blouse, okay. Next one is shirt, okay. What is the spelling of shirt? The spelling of shirt is SHIRT, shirt, okay. The spelling of shirt is SHIRT, shirt, and we wear shirt with the trousers, okay. okay? We wear shorts with the trousers. So what is the spelling of trousers, students? The spelling of trousers is trousers, trousers, okay? trousers, trousers. Is that clear? Shirt with trouser, okay? You have to match the shirt with trouser. Is that clear? Now move on to the next, and the next one is churidar, okay? Next one is churidar. So what is the spelling of churidar? How you will spell it? We will spell it as a churidar, churidar, okay? And the pair of churidar is kurta, okay? Churidar with kurta. It is also a traditional dress, students. You have seen lots of girls and women to wear the churidar and kurta in our country, okay? So churidar with kurta, okay? You have to match the churidar with kurta. Is that clear? Now our first exercise of this chapter is completed, okay? So you have to complete in your book, okay, students, and you have to learn it. Is that clear? So this is your homework. You have to learn and you have to complete these exercises. Now students, see you in the next video lesson. And there is assignment for you also, students. You have to make a list of clothes that we wear in the winter season, okay? You have to make the list of clothes that we wear in the winter season, okay? I will check it in the live classes, during the live classes, okay, students? So see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.